Welcome back to another episode of Herbs for Health. This is your herb of the week. Today we're going to be talking about raspberry leaf. It is a plant that has been used for medicinal purposes for centuries. It is now used as a natural remedy for a variety of ailments and illnesses. Raspberry leaf, also known as Rubus idaeus, contains vitamins A, B1, B2, C, and E. It also contains potassium and calcium, which are essential in maintaining healthy bones and teeth. Raspberry leaves are often used to reduce the symptoms of morning sickness in pregnant women. One study found that raspberry leaves were very effective at reducing the symptoms of morning sickness when given to women in the early stages of pregnancy. In this study, 94% of patients had a complete resolution of their morning sickness by the end of their first trimester, and 92% no longer experienced nausea or vomiting during pregnancy. It can also be helpful in easing the pain of labor by strengthening uterine muscles. It is a uterine tonic and helps regulate menstruation, which makes it helpful for women who suffer from irregular periods or painful periods. Studies have shown that raspberry leaf may help with menopause and uterine fibroids. It is also used as a tea to help with insomnia, anxiety, and other nervous system disorders. The constituents of raspberry leaves are tannins, flavonoids, aldehydes, sugars, vitamins A and C, and minerals such as calcium and iron. Raspberry leaf warning is a common concern for pregnant women. It is important to note that raspberry leaf tea is safe to drink while pregnant and should not be confused with raspberry leaves in the form of tablets, which are not safe to consume. There are no known side effects of drinking raspberry tea, but it can cause nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and abdominal cramps. How to use raspberry leaf. It can be used as a tea, tincture, or capsules. It is also available as an extract and dried leaves. Now, let's talk about how to make raspberry tea. Fill a pot with water and bring it to a boil. Now you can add fresh raspberry leaves or dry ones to the pot to make your tea. Once you add your tea to the pot, you're going to let it sit for 10 minutes while covered. Strain the leaves from the liquid before you serve it. Now, let's talk about how to take raspberry leaf tincture. Now for a tincture, the recommended dosage is 1 drop in water or tea 4 times a day, because this is very concentrated. Now, raspberry tinctures are generally made from dry leaves of raspberry plants. Let's talk about how to take raspberry leaf capsules. Raspberry leaf capsules can be taken regularly to help prevent preterm labor and promote a healthy pregnancy. Raspberry leaf capsules are meant to be taken orally, and you should take 2 capsules daily. You can take them with or without food, and they should be taken at least 6 hours apart. Now, this video has come to an end. We have learned about the many benefits of raspberry leaf and how it helps with women's health and pregnancy. I hope you guys have enjoyed the information of today, and please leave a comment down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you know every time I post a video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.